clavicle brace with buckle. The clavicle brace with buckle is available in these sizes. Measure circumference around chest below underarms. Now let us see how to wear the clavicle brace with buckle. Place the back pad between the two shoulder blades. Stand and put the hands toward the rear side of the hip. The shoulder straps are tied in a figure of 8, going around the shoulders and the armpit. Press the claw and let the claw buckle pierce the strap and hold the brace. Now let us see how to remove the clavicle brace with buckle. The product can be easily removed by disengaging the strap from the claw buckle. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.